Hey guys, how's it going today? We're going to be doing something else, working on your mental health. We're going to be doing some yoga. Yoga is really known as a relaxation technique for a lot of people. So, tune in. So she can do art, she can cook, and she can do yoga. I got Malaya helping us out today. Be sure to check out her programs as well. She'll be taking the lead. So the first pose is going to be the lotus pose. Think of when you were younger and your kindergarten teacher told you to sit down and cross your legs. So it's kind of something like that, but we're going to stretch it out and do it longer. So first what you want to do is you want to sit down and fold and cross your legs in front of your body. You want to do the lotus pose in order to stretch out your hips, your ankles, your knees, and it also helps you keep your posture. So the next stretch is the child's pose. To do the child's pose, you start out on your knees and you fold your upper body over with your arms, outstretched and touching the floor right in front of you. This pose helps the body's internal organs stay flexible. It also lengthens and stretches the spine. This pose also loosens up the hips, thighs, and ankles as well. It relaxes the body and allows you to breathe deeply, restoring your energy. So this pose is usually called the cat-cow pose, but we're going to call it the happy cat, mad cat. The reason why is because typically you have happy cats who curve their back downwards when they're happy, and mad cats curve their back upwards when they're upset. So that's the same thing you're doing on this stretch. You want to be in tabletop position. Set your knees directly below your hips, your wrists, elbows, and shoulders in line with each other, perpendicular to the floor. So our next stretch is the triangle pose. The triangle pose is done by stepping your feet out wide. Pivot your foot out 90 degrees. Reach out your arms apart. Turn your navel and your chest upwards and gaze upwards. And if you don't know where your navel is, it's your belly button. This is a deep stretch for your hamstrings, your groin, and your hips. It also opens up your chest, your shoulders, which relieve back pain and stress. This stretch also strengthens the muscles in your thighs, your hips, and your back while toning the knees and ankles. So after this workout, I was really tired and stretched out. So hopefully you guys are feeling the same thing. So when you guys become experts in yoga, maybe you can try aerial yoga. My friend India here is really good at this. This is not something I would personally be able to show you anytime soon, but when you become an expert, go for it. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Shout out to India and Malaya for helping out with this. They showed us a lot of techniques that are going to be able to benefit us. And remember, the main benefit of yoga is not just for your physical health, but for your mental health, and to make sure that that's okay. So once again, thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe.